So this is the pet grooming kit, and I want to start off by thanking the brand for gifting me with this kit. Before I demonstrate this with my dog, I want to tell you a little bit about it. So it comes with this bottle of pet leave-in serum. So it's like a conditioner, and this is in a concentrated format. So you have to dilute it 1:5, and you get this water, you get this clear bottle so you can mix it with a solution and dilute it 1:5 ratio. It comes with this brush where when you turn it on, it's powered on, and you can press it, and then it actually will spray the conditioner. So you put the conditioner in here. So that's really nice feature. And it's powered, you see the light right here. It comes with this cord. It has a USB to USB-C connection. So it doesn't come with the plug. So if you need a charging block, you'll want to get one. And then you also get this for the undercoat. And if you squeeze this button, you can see how it goes through. So I'm gonna show this in action with my dog. So to start, I'm going to put some of the serum, the conditioner, in the brush. And now that I have the serum in there, you can see a mist coming out. So it kind of goes, it's a mist. And that's just automatic. I don't have to do anything. It's like a cool mist spraying the serum. So you can see we have a very furry dog. We have an Akita, and we are using the brush that goes through the undercoat and really gets the hair out. You can see it's really doing a good job. Ooh wee, look at that. All that hair that came out of his undercoat. Hey, Booker. Hey, Bookie. So that's how it works. He just had a bath, so now brushing his beautiful coat. It's summertime, so he's definitely hot in this weather, so it's nice to get that heavy undercoat out from him. So further along the process, he's looking really pretty now. His coat has been really cleaned up. Okay, so his coat's getting really cleaned up now. Just want to show you how the tool works, because it's really nice to eject the hair. So my husband is going over his coat, and it's pretty full, and you just eject it with the button. So that's really nice. Just been doing that throughout the process. So now it's being brushed with the final brush that has the serum in it, and it's conditioning his coat. You see a nice sheen, you see the hair, and you see the mist coming out. You see a nice sheen, it's leaving a nice sheen, and it smells good. This serum smells really good. Really nice grooming kit. I'm really pleased. My husband loves the ejector with the undercoat brush. That's a really nice feature. And as you can see, if you have a dog or any animal, definitely look into this kit, because it's really nice it's a nice overall grooming kit.